So hello guys and welcome to Tech 254 where we give you legit ways on how to earn extra income passive and also we ensure that we take you through most of the things online and also to ensure that also I keep you up to speed with technology, crypto and forex trading. So today I'm going to show you how the crypto market or how the forex trading market, sorry, looks like on the weekend or on Sunday. Because as you are aware, the forex trading most of the time or forex trading market is closed on Saturday and Sunday. And so I'm going to show you how it looks like. And, yeah, because like today is on a Sunday, so yeah, first of all, as you can see on where you get the quotes, where you get the quotes, you can see the market there. The market is very steady. There is no the lead blue whatever because the currencies or on a normal day the currencies keep changing, but you can see for today they are not changing. They are just still they are where they are, not dropping, not going any high. So yeah, you see these ones, they are not dropping, not going anywhere, not going up. You can see even the spreads here, 10, 13, not changing. So this is how the forex market always look on weekends. Yeah, so yeah, let's try and appraise a trade. Let's try and appraise a trade. Let's, for example, let's place trade here. Let's say, for example, we want to sell. Order has been placed in queue. Let's see what usually happens. No connection. Let me check my connection. Let's try it again. Market crossed. Yeah, that's how usually it pops up here. Yeah, it usually tells you that the market is crossed because actually the market is crossed and you can do nothing. You can buy nothing. You can sell nothing. Yeah, the market is crossed. Yeah, so nothing actually takes place in the forex trading market on weekend or on Sunday. Yeah, because like today is on a Sunday, so difference. That's how it is, and That's how forex trading market actually looks like. So, kind of guys, follow me here as I told you that I'll be updating as I'm updating you things to do with forex trading. I'm updating you also so that we can walk to this journey together. You can also check my previous videos where I talked about how to open a demo account because actually the one I'm using here is a demo account. Of course, most of the times when I'm making videos, I always make sure that I use demo accounts. So this is my demo account. Yeah, this is my demo account. You can check my previous videos. I had shown you how to how to do the demo accounts. Yeah, so how to create one demo account and also how to link it with Metaphor. Yeah, I've done those. So yeah, as you can see here, these are the settings where you can be able now to do various settings to set different settings if it's the color of the candlesticks. Yeah, so many things. If you want to now, you don't want to use candlestick, you want to use bar charts. Yeah, so there are so many things you can do. This is where you follow now the trading graph. Yeah, because mine I'm using the the candlesticks. So that's what you see, the candlesticks here. Now this is the graph. Yeah, if you want to change from candlestick, you can come here, then line charts, then you go there. You can see the line chart. You come here, you change the settings. You say, let's for example, you want a bar chart. Yeah, there you get the bar chart. So, but for me, I always like the candlesticks. It appears somehow easier for me to understand and interpret. So I always set it there. My default is that. Yeah, so this is a demo account, by the way. By the way, that's a demo account. So that's it, guys. So kindly follow me. Kindly, if you like these videos, kindly like and press the notification bell because we are going to release more and more videos, and you are going to like them. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.